A video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of fake Microsoft Defender security warnings that come from this random website eqswhm.ga. This website is random because today or tomorrow it may be changed by some other website. But there is something unique about these pop-ups. They claim to be some sort of Windows Firewall protection alerts or Windows support alerts, quoting this telephone number +1 833 632 2604. In reality, it's a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows support, and it is not related to Microsoft. There are some online criminals standing behind these pop-ups, and their mission is to force people into calling this fake Windows support number, and because of that, customers may be scared even more. They may be told to download and install some fake security software, or they may be forced to be subscribed to some fake security protection plans. And remember that this telephone number +1 833 632 2604 is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft, so do not trust these deceitful alerts. These pop-ups may be explained by the presence of some adware in your computer, so if you find any suspicious programs on the list, right-click on them and uninstall them. Also, consider checking the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, Extensions. Now disable and delete any third-party extensions which you might find here on the list. Finally, I would recommend you to examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start researching the system to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to